Just imagine having a welding machine that's compact yet powerful, ready to go wherever you need. The best handheld welding machines offer flexibility, precision, and strength, making them ideal for hobbyists and professionals alike. Discover options that combine efficiency with convenience for all your welding needs. All the product links are in the description below. Number 15. Soccer Portable Electric Welding Machine. This handheld welding machine with intelligent inverter technology provides a stable current and minimizes potential metal damage, making it effective for different welding needs. Offering adjustable output from 20 to 120 amperes, it's ideal for both home DIY and professional projects. This compact tool, weighing only 3.3 pounds, allows easy one-handed operation and conveniently fits in small spaces including car trunks. It enables smoother welds with less spatter by supporting multiple rod sizes and is equipped with a hot arc start. Smart cooling and heat management ensure safe, long-lasting use. This portable welding tool is perfect for machine work, automotive fixes, iron work, and hardware repairs, making it a reliable, flexible option for various tasks. Number 14. FEMEROL Welding Machine. An efficient handheld welding machine provides adjustable output ranging from 20 to 120 amperes, allowing users to customize the current for a clean weld on materials up to 8 millimeters thick. Weighing just 3.2 pounds, this compact, easy-to-carry welder is suitable for working at elevated positions. It supports electrodes from 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters, using advanced inverter technology for steady current and reduced spatter. Included with the device are essential accessories: ground clamp, gloves, folding helmet, brush, welding rods, toolbox, and storage bag. Safety features include an advanced cooling system and overload protection for safe extended use. This reliable tool is excellent for a variety of welding tasks and performs consistently well. Number 13. Cobowo Portable Electric Welding Machine. Featuring upgraded inverter technology, this handheld welding machine offers steady, adjustable output from 20 to 120 amperes, ideal for both DIY projects and professional tasks. Its lightweight, compact design, about 6.6 pounds and small enough for one-handed use, makes it portable and suitable for varied workspaces, including elevated spots. Equipped with multiple current settings, it's compatible with rods ranging from 2.5 to 3.2 millimeters, ensuring clean arc initiation and minimal spatter for smooth welds. The advanced cooling and overheating protection extend its lifespan, while the included kit, complete with rods, gloves, a cap, and a brush, provides all the essentials. This tool is adaptable for uses in repairs, metalwork, automotive projects, and construction, promising reliable and safe operation. Number 12. Faiuot Portable Welding Machine. With a compact design, this handheld welding machine is ideal for convenient one-handed operation. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's easy to carry and suitable for home, workshop, or even elevated work areas. Featuring intelligent inverter technology, it provides a stable arc and reduces metal wear, resulting in cleaner welds with minimal spatter. Adjustable output from 20 to 120 amperes allows for precise control, while it supports multiple rod sizes between 2.5 and 3.2 millimeters. A powerful cooling system and overheat protection ensure safe, long-lasting use. This handy tool is perfect for machinery repairs, sheet metal work, automotive maintenance, and hardware projects. It comes complete with a mask, gloves, a carrying case, and a user manual. Number 11. Runtoo Handheld Welder Gun. Handling a range of tasks, this compact handheld welding machine offers 20 to 250 ampere adjustable current using a simple rotary switch and a clear digital display, ensuring precise control for various welding needs. The dual-mode design allows for single-handed operation or connection to an electrode holder for tight spaces. Its advanced arc start feature minimizes electrode sticking, providing a quick and smooth start, while it accommodates multiple rod sizes for materials like carbon steel and iron. With built-in safety features, overheating, overload, short-circuit protections, and an efficient cooling system, this welder is reliable and safe. Accessories include gloves, welding rods, grounding clamps, and a durable carrying case, making it ideal for professionals and beginners in DIY projects and repairs. Number 10. KingMiKi Welder Machine. In handheld welding machines, this adaptable 110-volt tool offers a seamless experience for users, allowing single-handed operation or connecting to an electrode holder. Adapting easily to various environments, it suits both tight and high workspaces. Its adjustable current from 20 amperes to 250 amperes, managed through a user-friendly digital display and rotary switch, enables precise welding welding control. Advanced IGBT inverter technology enhances weld quality by minimizing defects and impurities, producing deep, smooth finishes. Hot start technology simplifies arc initiation and prevents sticking, making it practical for DIY enthusiasts and repair tasks. It's secure and reliable with efficient 360-degree air cooling and multiple safety protections. Included accessories make it useful for automotive work, DIY tasks, and sheet metal projects. Number 9. EYSENC Welding Machine. This portable 110-volt handheld welding machine features ARC and MMA electrode compatibility, making it ideal for varied welding tasks. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's easy to transport, simplifying work across different sites. The machine's 20 to 120 amperes output with a 6-level current adjustment allows precise welding control for iron, aluminum, and copper materials. Equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance, minimizes splash, and ensures smooth results. Built-in safety features including a 360-degree cooling system and overheating protection safeguard the internal circuits and promote long-term use. From sheet metal work to automotive repairs and guardrail installations, this tool is a practical choice for both home and professional projects. Number 8. JEXUGK Portable Electric Welding Machine. An upgraded handheld welding machine offering 20 to 120 amperes with adjustable current levels and compact portability. Its advanced IGBT inverter technology ensures stable performance, efficient power use, and smooth welds with minimal spatter. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, this welder provides easy transport and one-handed operation, making it perfect for home projects or professional repair tasks. Built-in safety features like intelligent heat dissipation and overheat protection keep the welder safe and durable. Compatible with 3/32 inch to 1/8 inch electrodes, it's highly adaptable for metals like iron and copper. This welding tool set includes gloves, a welding cap, and essential accessories, making it convenient for diverse projects in DIY, auto repair, and ironwork applications. Number 7. Koverflame Advanced Portable Welder. Featuring a high-performance compact handheld design, this 220-volt welding machine combines advanced digital control with durable construction for challenging work settings. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, it's lightweight yet impact-resistant, making it ideal for frequent transport. Equipped with IGBT inverter technology, it operates efficiently with reduced noise and provides consistent manual welding quality. Safety features including overcurrent, overheating protection, and a VRD enhance user security. Its user-friendly interface and real-time LED display allow quick parameter adjustments for professional and hobbyist needs. The kit includes essential items like a ground wire, welding rod holder, and 10 pieces of AWSE 6019 electrodes, offering immediate usability for welding carbon steel and other metals in various environments. Number 6. TABODD Handheld Welding Machine. A powerful portable welding machine, this handheld model is ideal for small projects and work in hard-to-reach areas. Lightweight at only 2.1 kilograms, it's easily transported and manageable. Designed for stability and energy savings, it features advanced technology that delivers consistent, smooth arcs with minimal spatter. Easy enough for beginners, this versatile device can handle various metals, including stainless and mild steel. With built-in safety controls, it efficiently manages heat for added security, and it arrives with essentials including a plug, welding rods, and a carrying bag. Number 5. GERORD Welding Machine. This handheld welding machine, weighing only 3.3 pounds, is ideal for home welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. Compact and portable, it operates at 110 volts and comes with a full toolkit for added convenience. Users will find essentials like welding rods, gloves, sunglasses, a welding cap, and a tool brush, all stored in a sturdy toolbox. Compatible with welding rods up to 1/8 inch, this welder runs efficiently with a high-duty cycle, handling up to 10 rods without overheating. It's designed with advanced IGBT inverter technology for optimal safety and reliability, easily tackling mild steel, stainless steel, and more. Perfect for novices and experienced welders, this lightweight machine is easy to carry and simple to use, making it a thoughtful gift for special occasions. Number 4. YesRight Welding Machine. For those in need need of a compact welding tool, this portable handheld welder offers versatility and ease of use. With a compact 9.8 by 10 inch design and weighing just 3.9 pounds, it's easy to handle, even at heights or in tight spaces. Supporting rod sizes from 1/16 to 1/8 inch, it includes a hot arc start feature, allowing smoother arc initiation and neater welds, which DIYers and hobbyists will appreciate. Enhanced with advanced IGBT inverter technology, this welder ensures stable current, efficient energy use, and reduced spatter. It also features 360-degree cooling and overheat protection, ensuring safe and durable performance. Included in the kit are all essential tools ideal for working with stainless steel, mild steel, and iron, making it a practical gift for any welding enthusiast. Number 3. Faiuot Upgraded Welding Machine. Joining efficiency and ease, this 110-volt handheld welding machine delivers a stable performance thanks to its advanced IGBT inverter technology that reduces spatter and minimizes metal damage. Its adjustable output, ranging from 20 to 140 amperes, allows precise current control through a simple knob, supporting various tasks with 3/30 seconds to 1/8 inch rods. Designed for portability, it's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for tight spaces or high work areas. With a convenient carrying toolbox, users can easily transport and store it in compact spaces. The complete set includes gloves, safety glasses, a folding cap, a welding brush, and essential cables, making it ideal for home DIY, professional repairs, and a range of welding projects. Number 2. BTOBI Welding Machine. A compact and portable welding tool, offers great convenience for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, its small design makes it easy to store and carry, ideal for on-the-go projects. With 6 adjustable current settings ranging from 20 to 120 amperes, it provides flexibility to work with various welding rods, including sizes from 3/30 seconds inch to 1/8 inch. The advanced cooling system ensures long-lasting performance, preventing overheating during extended use. Suitable for welding materials such as stainless steel, mild steel, and iron. It's widely used in automotive repairs, sheet metal work, and general metal processing. This machine's IGBT inverter technology offers stable arcs, reduced spatter, and smooth welds, making it a reliable choice for diverse applications. Number 1. Seesii Handheld Welder. A convenient and portable welding device is designed for various welding tasks such as home repairs, car maintenance, and DIY projects. Weighing just 3.9 pounds and measuring 10 by 10 inches, this machine is lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for aerial work and one-handed operation. It supports welding rods ranging from 3/64 inch to 1/8 inch and allows for quick rod replacement. Equipped with insulated gate bipolar transistor, IGBT inverter technology, it offers stable current and improved energy efficiency, ensuring smoother arc starts and minimal spatter. The 20 to 120 ampere adjustable output allows for precise control over welding, making the work simpler and more effective. The package includes essential accessories like gloves, a helmet, and a welding brush, providing everything needed for efficient welding. That's all for this video.